Hey everybody, so today I wanted to share and walk you through how I guided one of my clients who's looking to upgrade from their current home into a little bit larger home because their family is expanding on where they should be settling at in terms of their purchase price and kind of the size of the home that they're looking at. All right, so let's get started. All right, so if we take a look here, initially they came to me asking, "Hey, Chris, we're gonna be selling our house. We're gonna have about $700,000 in equity proceeds. What type or size of home, not type, but what size home or purchase price can we afford?" And so initially it starts off with typically with my clients is they don't know what their range is. And then I'm kind of researching to see what their maximum purchase capability is going to be at that surface level. So when they came to me, 700 purchase price, these guys are 800 credit score, gainfully employed. And so when looking at the scenarios, at 700,000, and they want to upgrade to something around the 1.6-1.7 million dollar range. The good news was that the new conforming limit increased from the 800s all the way up to the $970,800 for a conventional loan or a conventional high balance. And so I started from there. So if you take a look here at option one, when I walked him through it, at $970,000, $800 loan amount, and if you add on top that $700,000 down payment that they were going to apply because of the proceeds of their home sale of their home, then we obviously come out with a simple arithmetic of 970, 800 plus almost 700,000. It's at $1.67 million is going to be the purchase price. This is going to be in Virginia. In their county, the property tax is 1.03% of the assessed value of the property. Just for simple sake, I said the purchase price was going to be the assessed value. Probably it's not going to be. It's going to be a little bit less, but just for estimate's sake. So when we add that plus an estimated $100 a month in homeowners insurance, we come to a fully loaded PITI or principal, interest, tax, and insurance of $55.88 and 51 cents. Now, shortly thereafter, they wanted to know, hey, can we go and bump it up to, let's say, 1.718 million? And so we took a look at what a jumbo product would be around, a similar scenario. And so $700,000 down. So the loan amount was going to be 1.075 with a jumbo rate of 3% 30-year fix. And, one thing that's going to probably stay it's not going to vary too much. It's going to stay relatively consistent. It's going to be the homeowner's insurance. Now, the property tax will go up because the assessed value is most likely going to be going up. And so you'll see here that the payment of PITI is increasing because of two factors. One, or three factors actually. One is the loan amount. Two is the interest rate's a little bit higher for a jumbo loan, so non-conforming jumbo loan. And then the second is the property tax is increasing because it's a percentage of the assessed value. Here we're just being, we're kind of taking it easy and saying the assessed value is equal to the estimated purchase price. All right. Now from here, having a little bit more dialogue and then thinking about it and talking, the couple having a conversation privately, they came back to me and said, if we added an extra $100,000 or a little bit more, would that make a difference? And they said, we do want to keep our payment around $6,200 fully loaded, not including the homeowners, the HOA, so the homeowners association dues. And so taking a look at it, I did the math and I said, hey, if we do that and we kept your loan static, so we kept the loan static from option 2 to option 3, from, the loan is the same amount, but the purchase price went up because they're adding more cash down, what would happen? Well, if you look here, the principal and interest, the payment for the mortgage is not going to change. What is going to change is going to be the property tax because, again, it's a percentage, 1.03% of the assessed value here. Again, purchase price equals assessed value just for simplicity, and it's at $2 million. It goes up by almost $200 in fully loaded mortgage payment, so PITI. That helped them understand, okay, our range is going to be about $1.8 million, not the $2 million. And that kind of helped them understand, okay, that's the size or purchase price of the home that they're going to be looking into as they start going shopping around and doing some house hunting. I hope that helps you. If you have any other questions on your scenarios, what scenarios that are you guys running into personally that maybe I can walk you through, and then hopefully share it as content on this YouTube channel. So with that, hope you have a great day, and talk to you later.